a bubble there. People, you see that? This and this a mix. Saltfish time I go in and out. Rella boss!
Yeah, man.
People, rella boss! And if you want this can work. Yeah, man. Sample time. You see what I go on.
Let's see, I don't see what I go on.
Yeah, man.
I ain't ready yet, man.
I ain't already yet said we. Alright, fire go and blaze in and like. See fire there go and lift up there now. Yeah, man. Although we don't want a big fire still.
Yeah,
it's strong, man. See that with people. Really, they have said we have the saltfish here. No. Yeah, really, you don't pick up. Yeah. See them people really don't pick up the saltfish and thing.
What you put in your pocket? You have your hand full.
Take your pocket. Natural vibes of people, see there? This and this a mix. Yeah, man. The ackee, that meal I go grind me, people. It's a go grind me because I feel like it go well hot. Hotter pepper and thing. Really, Dan? Yeah, man. Big chef over there, so.
All the way, chef.
Fire go and kick in and on the pot. People, you don't know what I find in my pocket. How them are coming in my pocket, really? After when you pick your ackee, this in my pocket, you know? Find two ackee in my pocket. But people, let's see what going on. How long them in my pocket? Hello, I shot the ackee. People, them in our pocket long time. Them ackee in our pocket long time, people. Yeah, man. Natural way, see it? Yeah, man. Nice, you know. See the okra gone in the pot here now. All like pepper, everything gone in the pot, you know. People have four pepper in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, no.
Yeah, man. That we love to see. Sliminess.
1 pound also.
Yeah, man. Sliminess, you know. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. Ah. Right on time. Right up on time. Yeah. Yes, people. You see that? Yeah, man.
Fire.
I don't know saltfish the writer, so I go and wait. Yeah, man. Ackee the writer, so said we. I go and wait. Yeah, man.
Flimstone. Right, cause most of the fire and burn down the place.
So them can cause fire too?
Yeah, man, I use liquor.
Oh, together.
Fire in stone days and them something there.
Yeah, man.
The river one time we are cook a river people and the things start bust cause we are cook on it like them are some bigger stone. Then we have to run like a shot and chuck off back of some bank people. You know?
Flintstone start bust.
Yes, man, we have to move over.
Flintstone at people. Yeah, man. When them are bust a river normal.
Lift up, man.
You have to lift up. That is it.
Yeah, lift out.
And them thing there. I dangerous them way there, cause if it's a bus and a fly all about. You know can kill you?
Of course.
Yeah, say man.
And you get throat and them thing there.
Trouble. Don't know. Okra. Okra go on. Man, it's soon start blazing, man. Okra go and simmer down and thing. Natural young people, man. You see it? Yes! Fire kicking. Fire the right that's I see it, this way I wait for no people. Ackee the right there, so watch ya. People, the fire kicking right now under the okra and thing. Yeah, man. Natural way, man. See that with people. Yeah. Yeah. Ackee can throw in there now. Or saltfish. Any one of them. Saltfish time I go in and out.
Shred you up like a blender.
Yeah, man. Real shred I thought, man. Him shred it.
You don't know eat no food.
That's hot still. That's hot. That's hot pepper, you know.
Get up the water.
Yeah, man. See that with people. Pot look nice. Yeah, man. All who never eat okra ackee, remember me tell you. Bad man. Nice. Try it. I'll try vibes of one of some people, you see it? Oh, it is. That's steam now. Yeah, man, it a go on. It a go on, my people. Yeah, man. So, what you are going to do now? You put in the ackee and then cover it down.
Yes, man, make it
So, ackee, so the okra them can steam down the right and proper way. See it there? People, I knew if you cook ackee, you know, put it in the bag, you know. So, you know, say, when it come out of the pot, it's easier to come out.
Yeah, man, if you cook one pot.
Yeah, if you cook one pot, you don't know. Flour and them thing there, if you cook flour, any little thing, just put the everything yeah, in a one pot.
Yeah, so
Look at that. Look at that. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Naturally, you see it? How the pot look. See that, my beautiful people? Real country style. Yeah, true way you talk, you know. True way you talk, man. Nice. Steam down time.
I don't have enough dumplings to eat that.
Oh, yeah, say. How much flour in that pot? How much flour in there, sir? I have a whole heap of flour, can I eat that, man? How you say? I'm not really lucky how much four flour.
Three, say, one, something.
You see what going on? Yeah, man. Naturally, my people, that's how we deal with it, man. So youths to live in a Jamaica. So youths to cook and enjoy life in a Jamaica. Yeah, man. And hold some vibes. Outdoor style too. Yeah, man. All if I indoor. Just full joy life. You see it? Yeah. So youths to live. This is how the youths them to live. Really.
Everything there about it.
Yeah. Yeah. And next time now we need, man, we are going to some plant and some different type of cooking. But for now, cartwheel, flour we are dealing with some okra, ackee, saltfish. Crazy vibe, see there? Fire kick over there, so. Chef boy victory there, boat. Yes, man. Really, they over there, so. Really, where they on now? YouTube. Make sure to subscribe, people. Yard life's good. Yeah, man. Fire kicking.
Man, subscribe, man. Help you out a lot, you know?
Natural way.
If we get a little strength, we do it back again.
Alright.
Show no what I go on.
Yeah, my people, man. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Fire kick, you know? Yeah, man. Pot smell good, you know? And I keep look black pepper in it and something to, you know?
Yes, they know about
Yeah,
it.
man. Yeah, man. Have a look black pepper and something to tip in it. Get the look vibe, said way. Back there, man. People, you see what go on? Goat for days. More than. More than pot nearly me say, no? Yeah, people, next video we are drop when I goat them. Say goat, I goat for days. Goat for days. See it, people. She want piece this up. Rank. Hey, when a man say rank like ram, you know. You must know, you know. Yeah, man. Actually, I went up the whole I road. See that? Yeah. Country life, my people, man. You see it? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, people. Beautiful, beautiful day, my people, man. How this?
Yeah, dear.
Big up, you know. Great, much than. Crazy vibes in our backyard. Yeah, country life. How the pot go on? You feel so?
Yeah, man.
But we don't want to burn up, you know.
No, not that.
Hungry and knock him, you know. Hungry and knock him, man. They must steam down here now, though.
I tell you, look, sir.
Oh.
I could have chef.
Yes, no man. That is it. Yeah, man. Pot look beautiful. Pot look beautiful, my people, man. Yeah, man. Natural vibes. Right now, I get in the powdered seasoning night. Said we. People, we're not a skeleton on time still, but the pot of work, said we.
Yo, black pepper this you know? Over pepper in the pot you know, brother? How are you going with?
I say black pepper black pepper and hot pepper.
Nice one at ya.
Nice one, that's a problem, you know?
Let's go pick out to general off a tree.
Yeah, man, a problem, man.
How about that? All purpose?
Run in some all purpose.
Everything?
You know, I forgot to taste it, man. You see what going on?
Oh.
Scramble up that first, man. Bubble up that first before you throw in everything, really.
Well, let's say I won't enjoy the tree.
See what going on, the people. Yeah, man, I vibes that, man. Yeah,
I
man.
want to taste it, you know, brother?
How it a going?
Yeah, put it on yourself.
See that, the people?
Hey, remember, yeah, you know?
People, you see that?
Yes, sir.
Mmm.
I'm going to be.
Mmm. Okay, I want to steam down more, sure. Mmm. People, it's bad. Bad in a week.
Huh?
Nice, nice, man.
Yes, man.
Nice, people. But out the man, make it. Up in there a lot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That is it, people. Throw the rest of the season on it. Can't take the rest of the season, though.
Come in there,
yeah, man. That is it, people. Pat soon land, you know. Yeah, man, both soon land.
yeah, this is the way
Come in, right? No, man. Where you got the black pepper, man? Nah, man. What kind of more black pepper, man? Kill people in the day. It's spicy already. Yeah, man. And drop the bag in there.
Wait, so what kind of tree? Wait, where you have black, you know? Some planting.
Yeah. This is it.
Sample, you know,
Buddy?
Yo,
Bad, brother. Yeah, man.
Whoa, pop up on my boy.
Nice. See that, people?
Okra make it slide.
Yeah, man. So, people, you know, so we just wait and out the list. Simmer down and thing. Yeah, man. Anytime the okra steam down and thing, you know, so we're good to go. I know, so we never have to wait till okra steam down full, you know. Yeah, man, you can eat all raw, you know. Natural vibes in our backyard, them people. Country lifestyle. Yeah. Food time, and you know, people.
You can chop 3 flowers in another dish.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. I mind this.
Same speed.
Same speed. Put that aside. Flour share and you know, people. Yeah.
Okay, so them big.
Yeah, man. Them should have bigger, man. And I should have more too. See that, my beautiful people.
One extra one in there, man.
Natural vibes.
Extra one.
Natural vibes. See what go on there? Oh, what a bubble there.
Oh my God, bro.
Yeah, man. Put it closer there, really. Put it closer there, boy. Food there enough, you know, boy.
Everything must done cook, you know.
Yeah, man. Everything. Load it up for me, you know, boy.
What else, man? I want more to do with it.
Load up that. People, you see what go on there? That is it. So the outdoor cooking go on. So the vibes go on. You see it? Nice. Alright. Look at that. See me there? Load up that now for me there. Load up. I make sure I'll go in for me, you know. Can't wait to test out this, you know, people. The pot smell good. Pot smell good. Last the dumpling, my people. Dumpling at last. Yeah, man. We forgot it, you know? Yeah, man. See that, my people? Loadings are going right there, sir. People, wanna see that?
Brother, come in, no, man.
Oh, shit. See that? Oh, whoa. People, wanna see what going on there, sir? Yeah, man. That is it. Food for days. See what going on there? Natural vibes in our plate, people. Dumpling and ackee. Yeah, man. Okra. How it going? Food for days, man. Ackee and saltfish for days. And okra. Low on okra for days, people. You see what going on there? Yeah, man. Same way, so man. Yeah, my people, you see it? Yeah, man.
Yeah, people are going there.
Right up, people. We're almost done here. See what going on there? Okra, saltfish, dumpling. You know, say the right amount of pepper we use in that steamy.
Jesus. Not so bad.
Not so bad, man. The boy trick me, man, and tell me about a dangerous pepper he give me.
Yes, man, show them what I want.
People.
The okra. Yes, man. The Jamaican okra.
This is beautiful, people. See that? Big flour. Mmm.
See tips.
Mmm.
No, yeah. Wala na dito, wala black again, yo. Food as well, like.
Yeah, my people, man, I see it.
Yeah, wait, but what?
Yeah, man, that one already.
Oh, so
People. The flour are big, you know. But you don't know. I think I'll get right. Mm. So when you say, how it tastes now? First you know I eat it with okra. You say, bad though? Yeah, man. Bad for real.
Well, comment when I done it. Do you want to come up with a skill? What you can go? You have black pepper on it.
Yeah, bring mine for me there, bro. Please. Wow, people. It's nice. Yeah, man. It's nice down to the bone. Yeah, bro, respect. Wicked style. Flour ya biki.
Yeah. Boy, very cool, okay.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, bro.
Ooh. People. Real. I hold this. Wicked.
Active, brother. Japanese so bad as you think.
And 4 we use.
Step up on the right level. I dog back off. Wait a turn.
And if you go like this can't work. A baby, you know? A baby, him even gonna want it. A third one, me dip on and rather start eat before me.
Third one you left out.
One left, brother. One left, brother. See them people. Do not play with country food. Outdoor food.
The dog fish, right?
No, man, the thing yet, man.
Yo, the okra with the ackee bad, brother.
They fuck that they try it.
Bad my you, man, I tell you no. Body never tell me to try it, brother. I mean just try it out from my own. So I man love okra and saltfish. I love ackee and saltfish. So I say, yo, I know, so I put the whole of them together though. And it work. First time I tried.
Bad man.
Bad for 2 months. People. One more dumpling there, pan, you know. No, we don't play, you know. Really lame. People really care about it.
When I think they can eat out the two of them.
Can't manage it.
But I think that's a big dog and all. Yeah, food I put different.
I go put them food different.
Nah, but I feel like that party.
Can you get one of me one still?
Can't manage for you.
Can you get one of me one belly full up, man?
Real boss.
Yeah, man.
People, real boss.
People, may I tell you, the dumplings sweet, but them big. Understand?
So we deal with it, man.
I mean, no, two be do it still, but fin belly.
3 big flour that we got, you.
Fin belly long half more than see it, so.
Well, just like that pot.
You can eat that, brother. Now you show that.
But Moja can't eat 2 flour.
I mean,
Moja, how much I can manage?
Well, everything like plate, right?
What do you think I can manage?
Look back. Huh? Our sheet spread go back.
People, see that? Okra, ackee, saltfish. Real boss people. Real baby trees. Yeah, man.
okay, that's much ackee, man. I eat this well,
In a pot, man, I can't choose for them.
Who knife up, man?
Now you see
Real boss people.
Lime I tell you, man. Boy beefs.
Well, we'll put the plant on it, window sill, boy, but do so easy to get the pot running.
Boy peeps. Food tastes good in the but you know? But throwing too big for my stomach. What is that?
That is it.
Come watch yourself first. Move. I'm going to tell you. time.
Whew. People, good vibe. Food bad.
Bad chef.
Food bad. But really same belly. Little bit, you know? Yeah, well, not much. Ooh. Hi. Ah. Hi, people.
Oh man, that's what I'm talking about. Right, that's
Man is a beanie. Never wonder where man was. Maybe leave stick.
Yeah, man. Demolish, man. Much of man say can't eat too.
yeah, man, then catch him for the car or whatever.
You walk him around.
He wants to do everything. But can't do the food, the other one thing.
When it's a different pound, it's a pound. Well, I can't say disagree, no.
Why would I do that?
You disagree, hello.
You can't disagree. I really think them, man.
You better wicked man. Man, I'm wicked. I'm jumping at fives tonight.
Huh?
You can't reckon me jumping at fives. What's going on? What do you understand?
People.
Woo!
More than that. See
Yeah,
that?
go and eat one eye flour, them boy.
Yes, boy.
I'm going to eat two flour.
3 McClapper, man.
Quick
Big.
and fast, that man.
Quick and fast,
Actually,
but
big flour, you get to, you know that?
yeah, man. 3 of them butter, quick and fast.
Yeah, man.
People, that is it, man. Rella could even manage one good. Yeah, man.
Well, two flour. No, I'm going to eat it already before I'm coming.
And there I drink beer, man. And pull up in belly, man. Then sense so a big belly, you know. Yeah, my beautiful people. So you know, say this one we are sign out to the G them, you know. Run some real pot today, some real big flour, no sir? Some flour and some okra. Saltfish. And ackee.
I shall put a piece of pork in ice there, but you can't pork.
And next time I'll drop piece of pork in it. People. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Big up in a moja, Dan. Big up in a rela, Dan. Victory, Dan.
Same place.
Same pre. Big chef that in the people. Yeah, so right now we are signing out, people. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man. Outdoor cooking with the youths, them. So youths to live. Eat some good food, relax. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon now. Where they are going cool out. Just smash down some flour. Nigga right is soon start kicking. You know that go. Yeah, man. You know that go. So, right now, people. Until next time. One love every time. Out the door. Natural vibes. That is it.